Welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss on BTech M1 Mathematics concept, that is eigenvectors, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, of matrices topic. See here, eigenvalues, students. What is the eigenvalue? Let A be the square matrix of order n into n, nothing but a square matrix. Then the number, either real number or complex number. Means the elements of the matrices, it should be either real number or the complex numbers. Then lambda is said to be the eigenvalue of the matrix A. Let A be a square matrix of order n into n. Then a number, real or complex. Then lambda is said to be the eigenvalue of the matrix A. See, it is denoted by Ax equal to lambda x, where lambda is the denotation for the eigenvalues, guys. We may get either real values or the complex values for lambda, for eigenvalues. Where x is called the eigenvector. Where lambda is the eigenvalues of the matrix A and x is the eigenvector of the matrix A. This is the representation A minus lambda I, where I is the identity matrix, into x equal to 0. This is the formula, or this is a procedure for finding the eigenvalues. A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. Then finding eigenvalues and eigenvectors. See, after taking the eigenvalues as a representation, guys, for solving eigenvalues we have to take characteristic equation of the matrix. The characteristic equation of a matrix is taken as A minus lambda I as a determinant. Whatever we got as eigenvalue, for that we have to take the determinant that becomes the characteristic equation. See, where A minus lambda I equal to 0 of modulus is called the characteristic equation. I will repeat once again. The eigenvalues is denoted by A minus lambda I into x equal to 0, where lambda is the eigenvalues. It may be either real values or complex values, and x is the eigenvector. Where finding the characteristic equation of a matrix A is taken as whatever we got here. For that, take the modulus of that to find the characteristic equation of the given matrix. Now, see here, where I is a square matrix, the solution of the characteristic equation is called the eigenvalues. Now, so eigenvector. Suppose the lambda value we got as lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on. So A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. This is a representation where lambda is the eigenvalues, and x is the eigenvector. The solution of 1 for any eigenvalues lambda 1, that is x, is called the eigenvector of the matrix A. See, this is a representation, guys. For solving sum, you can able to understand why we have taken this representation, all those. Let's solve with an example. For eigenvalue sums and eigenvector sums. Finding the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the following matrices. And even after solving this sum, I am going to give the verification part also. How can you identify whether the result, the solved solution is correct or wrong? I am going to explain that also. 5, 4, 1, 2, it is a given matrix, square matrix. So we have to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the given matrix. The first step we have to do is the characteristic equation of the given matrix. So characteristic equation we have to, how we can find A minus lambda I Okay, A minus lambda I and the modulus. They nothing but the characteristic equation. But before that, convert into this form: A minus lambda I, where A is a given vector, given matrix, where lambda is the eigenvalues. That one we have to find, and I is the INT matrix of 2 into 2, because this sum we are solving for 2 into 2 matrix of order 2 into 2 matrix. Now A matrix is 5 4 1 2 minus lambda into 1 0 0 1. Now 5 4 1 2 is same matrix, the given matrix, minus multiply lambda to INT matrix lambda 0 0 lambda. Okay, now 5 minus lambda, 4 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 2 minus lambda. Now we will get this equation. Keep it as any equation, either 1 or 2. Okay, then now finding the determinant of the characteristic equation. Whatever we got the result here, the equation 2, for that we have to find the determinant. This is the second step, guys. Okay, after taking the determinant, see here how we can get here: 5 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 4 into 1. Simplify this: 5 into 2 minus 5 into lambda. So you will get an quadratic equation like this. So this becomes lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. Then find the values of lambda. Nothing but take the factors of the given equation. So here these are the factors, guys. Okay, lambda square minus 6 lambda into lambda, where 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. We got the same. So after equating to 0, we will get the lambda values here, where lambda minus 6 into lambda minus 1 equal to 0, equal to 0. Then we will get lambda equal to 6 and lambda equal to 1. Okay, after getting the eigenvalues, guys, after getting the eigenvalues, see, whatever the values of lambda we got in this sum, those are the eigenvalues of the given matrix. Therefore we got two values, that is 1 comma 6. Then after getting the eigenvalue, then we have to find the eigenvector of the given matrix. How can you find the eigenvector of the given matrix? This is a procedure. Comma y be the components of an eigenvalues or eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues lambda. Then A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. Okay, so whatever the equation 2 we got, okay, A minus lambda I vector, A minus lambda I matrix into x. X is nothing but x comma y, because we are talking about 2 by 2 matrix. That's why we have taken two variables here. Okay, this is equation 3. Got it, guys? A minus lambda I, already we have solved this one. Okay, where x is nothing but x and y, because we are talking about 2 by 2 matrix. So that's why I have taken two variables, two elements. Okay, then this is a representation of finding the eigenvectors. Now whatever the eigenvalues we got, solve each case. Put lambda equal to 1 in this equation. What we get? 5 minus 6. Okay, 4, 1, 2 minus 6. X comma y, x, y as a column matrix, this will be same. Now minus 1, 4, 1, minus 4, x, y will be same. Now to the product here, minus 1 into x plus 4 into y, comma 1 into x plus 4 into y is equal to 0. Equal to 0 and find the values of x and y. So x by y equal to 4 by 1 in equal to k, where, okay, where k is a constant. That becomes the values whatever we got here, x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. Those are the eigenvectors of the given matrix. Those are the eigenvectors of the given matrix. Okay, again in the case 2, put lambda equal to 1, okay, in this equation. In the equation 3, put lambda equal to 1 in this equation. What we get? 5 minus 1, 4, 1, 2 minus 1 and xy. Okay, then what we get? Here 4, 4, 1, 1, xy. Now 4 into x plus 4 into y, 1 into x plus 1 into y. If you simplify, you will get both same values as x and y. Okay, where x and y values are, x is minus 1 and y is 1. So these are the eigenvectors of the given matrix A. Therefore, we got two eigenvectors, that is xy is 4, 1 and xy minus 1 and 1. So that's it, guys. This is a procedure how to solve the eigenvalues and also the eigenvectors of the given matrix. Okay, I am going to tell you one more example in the next video. Okay, then we go for the 3 by 3 matrix of same sum. Okay, thank you.